Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Harshitha manjesh. I know it's been a long time since I have made a long video in YouTube channel. For my Kannada audience, ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಫುಲ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. If you want to skip it or else ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದಾದರೆ you can watch it. Since so many people have been asking to make a video about the CFTRI in English, I am doing this. Let's get into video. Many of you have been asking about the CFTRI, what it is, how can we apply and who can apply for it, and what will be the admission process. In this video, I will explain everything about the CFTRI that you need to know in a clear and a simple way. Let's know about what is CFTRI. CFTRI stands for Central Food Technology and Research Institute, and it comes under CSIR, that is Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, and it is located in Mysuru. CFTRI mainly focus on food science, technology and laboratory or research work, and it is well known for its advanced laboratories or research work and its connections with the food industry. Now we will see what are the different programs CFTRI offers. Mainly it offers MSc in Food Technology along with it PhD in different specializations and research works and internship along with short-term and long-term courses. In this video, I will focus on MSc in Food Technology. For MSc in Food Technology, CFTRI usually offers 30 to 40 seats based on categories like General, OBC, SC/ST, and sometimes it also offers sponsored students like from the industry or the experienced individual from the military background. Since the number of seat is limited, means less, the competition will be usually high. Who can apply? To apply, you need to complete your bachelor's in science. Course includes the subjects of microbiology, biochemistry, food science and nutrition, other science individual courses, along with the engineering course which are related to the science. And the usually minimum marks required is 50 to 55%, and there are some relaxations based on the categories, and there is no age limit, so most graduate can apply for it. Notification and important dates. Notification usually released between March to May, and there will be a gap of 1 month between the notification and the examination. Examination usually conducted between June to July, and these dates change every year, so always check the official website for notifications. Exam pattern. The examination will be objective types, that is MCQ, and total for 100 marks, and there will be 60 minutes of time, that is 1 hour. And if you ask, is there any negative marking? Yes, there is. There will be 1/3, that is 0.25 marks of deduction for every wrong answers, and the subjects will be around 9 to 10, including the science subjects like biochemistry, microbiology, agriculture, food science and nutrition, biotechnology, along with general aptitude. So accuracy also matters along with the speed. If we see the admission process, student who score the highest marks will be selected, and the selection will be purely based on the merit list and the seat availability. As I said, there will be limited seat, so the slight difference in the marks will matters a lot. How to apply for it? Application process will be completely online. You need to check the official website of the CFTRI, where the notifications and the application forms will be released along with the major event dates, and the application fees will be around 2000 to 2500, or it usually changes every year, so you need to check out the notifications. What will be the fee structure? CFTRI fees will be relatively good, that is comparatively to other private institute. It is usually between 40,000 to 80,000. When I applied, it was 60,000. So this completes a brief guide about the CFTRI, including its examination pattern and the fee structure. If you are new here, please don't forget to check out the other videos related to CFTRI which I have already uploaded in my channel, and don't forget to subscribe and comment if there is any doubts or any other information you you need to know about the CFTRI, I will definitely gonna make a video on it. And or else you can also DM me in my Instagram account. Link will be in the description or the bio of the channel. And if you're planning to apply, start preparing early and stay consistent. That's all. Bye bye.